To fix LCP issues in Shopify, you need to optimize how quickly the largest visible element loads on your page. LCP is a key metric in Google's core Web Vitals, affecting both user experience and SEO. Identify the LCP element. Use Google PageSpeed Insights or Lighthouse to find which element is flagged as the LCP. Optimize images. Compress large images using tools like TinyPNG or Shopify's built-in compression. Serve images in WebP format. Use correct dimensions and set width and height to reduce layout shift. Lazy load non-critical images. Only exclude the LCP image from lazy loading so it loads immediately. For other images, use loading equals lazy. Minimize render blocking resources. Defer or async load JavaScript and third-party scripts. Minify CSS and JS in your Shopify theme. Use Shopify's online store 2.0 themes. They are faster and more performance-friendly than older legacy themes. Reduce app load. Uninstall unnecessary Shopify apps that add scripts or styling overhead.